So we are at La Vista Drive area of Akala Way, Akobo, Ibadan. This property you are seeing is a 4-bedroom detached duplex with a gatehouse, fully detached in a very decent environment. This is the security house. It's a room, self-contained, and that is the generator house. So we are going into the house. The house is well finished to taste. You can see this is the waiting room, POP. This is the visitor's toilets. This is the living room, the entry. The house is just finished, although there are minor things that we are still doing, still trying to tidy it up, clean it, and complete some fittings. You can see this is a very decent property. This is a very decent property. Nice POP design. And this is the wash hand basin for the dining. This is the dining area. This is the staircase. And you have a cupboard under the staircase where you can keep some stuffs. Yeah, so we go to the visitors room downstairs. So this is the visitors room. This is the bathroom. Coffee. And this is the kitchen. This is the store. Fitted with microwave oven and a gas cooker, and we have nice fittings in the kitchen. You can see this. This is where you keep stores. This is the heat extractor. Another mini, this is the laundry room. So we go upstairs to look at the rooms. Upstairs, we have 3 rooms upstairs and 1 room at the ground floor. Wardrobe. Second living room. Bedroom. Finished the test. Toilet, bathroom. All rooms fully ensuite with water heater. Finally, we go to the master bedroom. The master bedroom is massive, it's like a stadium. master bedroom, you have jacuzzi. The wardrobe is so large. It contains so many stuffs.